Hello guys, welcome to the unboxing of OnePlus One. So we have the charger and we have the box. So let's go ahead and unbox the charger first. Nice and simple packaging, and the charger feels premium. Weighs also okay. So I guess we are good with the charger. Let's toss it away for some time being. So this is the cardboard box which is shrink wrapped. Let's get open the shrink wrapping. Where is the pull tab? So yeah, here is the pull tab. Moment of truth. Let's pull this thing up. So wait a second, let me get a couple of shots. Now we'll pull this open. Did not pull all the way through. Let's get rid of that crap. Yes. Here is the OnePlus One. Again, one more pull tab. Just pull it out from the box. Remove this.